I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's the CNY Central First Alert forecast. And as we look ahead today, there's a spray of snow showers and flurries that occurred overnight and early this morning. And a lot of those are dropping south and through the area. And early this morning, a quick coating to an inch occurred from much of central New York, even 1.5 inches, up to 3 inches in Oswego County. And total accumulations will be up to 6 inches for the Tug Hill. Otherwise, clouds, flurries, and breaks of sun and a gusty breeze. It'll certainly feel chilly all day long as temperatures hold in the low to mid 30s and wind chills hold between 20 and 25. Now we're going to have some lingering clouds and flurries overnight, and clouds may be stubborn for spots tomorrow. I think the cloudiest weather tomorrow will likely be east of Lake Ontario. The brightest weather should be in southern New York, where there should be a good chunk of sun, especially that Route 79 and 206 corridor from Ithaca to Lisle to Whitney Point to Norwich and Point South. Here in Syracuse and much of the immediate central New York area, well, cloud cover should give way to a better chance at breaks of afternoon sun. As this says behind me, we're watching a couple of things. First of all, a system's going to miss us Wednesday night unless something changes. I don't think it's going to hit us, but it will give Long Island, New York City, and New Jersey and parts of Pennsylvania some snow. And in honor of the digital age and texting and tweeting and Facebooking, you will, now you're going to say, is that say less than 3? Well, the way people type now, that less than 3, if you look sideways, looks like a heart. So you will love Thursday for Valentine's Day. When I started here almost 18 years ago, I would have never thought to have written that, but that's, you never know what happens in the course of a lifetime, right? Anyway, snow showers and flurries are in the lighter category as we go through the rest of the day. The wind is still in the gusty category. This snowfall graphic that I'm going to show you right here includes everything that has already happened, because we are in the air first at 4 a.m., so I got to start the clock then. A lot of this has already occurred. A quick inch or inch and a half of snow in Syracuse and Point South, and a lot of this 1 to 3 has already happened that you're seeing through here. But since the snow has been heavier in here this morning and should be a little more consistent there, that's why I've put the Tug Hill in 3 to 6 inches of snow today. Overnight tonight, the wind should diminish after this evening, but it's still a westerly flow, so that still means some lingering snow showers and flurries, which is why I've had to include another trace, which is nothing, to locally a coating to 1 inch in the immediate central New York area, with the best chance of getting at least 1 inch, with some spots getting 2 to 3 near Route 31 and points north into this area right here of Oswego County and northwestern Oneida County. Flurries left over should taper off. Like I mentioned before, the cloudiest weather north Wednesday, the sunniest weather south. And I also mentioned a southern slider missing us to the south. Now I'm going to carefully watch this in case this thing wants to come a little closer, but my forecast for now keeps this thing to the south, while snow will hit sections of southern New England, Long Island, New York City, and parts of New Jersey and southern Pennsylvania. Assuming that works out that way, then Thursday should be a good day. Sunshine with some late day clouds. Notice the amount of sun is negligible today, somewhat medium tomorrow, and more on Thursday. Precipitation probability is obviously high due to what we've already seen today. Wednesday, you notice that the snow showers linger longest up north. Thursday during the day is dry. The night Thursday night, it's just a scattered rain and wet snow shower of little consequence. Flurries on Friday. And then this weekend, it's either going to be some sort of storm that gives us snow or a spray of snow showers and flurries off of Lake Ontario. That's your forecast. You can find the 7-day outlook on CNYCentral.com.